In this tutorial, we'll learn how to create different types of staff accounts with various roles. To begin, click on the Settings option located at the top right of your screen. Next, on the left side of the menu, you will see the Staff option. Clicking on this will redirect you to the Staff screen, where you can create different types of staff accounts. When you click on the New button, the admin will be able to create a staff account by entering basic personal information, such as the first name, full name, mobile number, and email address. At the bottom of the page, you will find the Roles option, which suggests predefined roles. Upon selecting a role, a pop-up will appear on the right-hand side, showing the permissions assigned to that role. Based on these permissions, the staff member will have access to the system. After clicking on the Create Staff button, the system will send an email to set the password for this account. This is how you create a staff account for an individual staff member. As an admin, if you wish to update the role, you can click on the Permissions option on the left side of the menu. Here, you can update the permissions of individual roles. Clicking on the Filter option will display a list of roles. Selecting a role will bring up the permissions pre-selected by the system. If you wish to edit these, click on the Edit button. As an admin, you can update the permissions as needed. For example, you may want to give resource permissions. A list of resources will appear, allowing you to select which access you want to grant. Once you've assigned permissions, the account will have access. The admin can grant permissions in two ways. Staff can either see the details or manage the details. If Manage is selected, the staff will have access to update or create details for that particular screen. If only View is selected, the staff can see the data and analyze the process for their role. After updating all permissions, click on the Submit button. The staff member will then have access to the system. In this way, the admin can create different staff accounts and assign permissions using roles. This allows the admin to manage the staff and control their access to system data